Hello. So we have continued negative news and negative market reaction from Chinese stocks. And there are some early voices that are thinking, okay, perhaps this is a buying opportunity. Perhaps they've been bettered too much. And this long term analysis aims to provide you with a point that is both early enough and with a fairly high probability to bet on that Chinese stock rebound if and when it happens. So this is showing volume profile and VWAP standard deviation bands from the beginning of the decade, so the start of 2020. And now each bar here is a monthly bar. So we're just at the value area low, which is the dotted blue line. And we have been rejected last month perfectly by the area of the first deviation VWAP. That's this green area. Perfect rejection there, which is not a great sign for the bulls right now. So we still might have more down to go. I wouldn't bet now. I mean, you could say, I'm going to bet now that on the value area low, which is usually a support, I'm just going to bet on a bullish reversal right here. It's not impossible, but we could also easily pierce this low of October, which is at 40.54, and looking at an ETF called MCHI, and that is the biggest ETF for China, for the MSCI China ETF. So, because I don't know if I'm catching a falling knife here, then for my money, I would be looking at this key level at 45.24 or close to that area. That is, we'll reach it if we're rebounding off this area, or we might be going down and then crossing up again. That's fine. So definitely we're off of this low area. So it's a additional confirmation. Are we paying a higher risk and higher price? Yes, we are, but we're buying confirmation. And those that would like even a further confirmation or would like to scale in and add to their long position, then we have the dotted line of the POC at 47.84. Okay, so if we have, for example, this is a monthly candle, so we have, for example, two consecutive weekly candles closing above 49, then you're good to go. And the and good chance the MCHI will also revert to the mean and sort of say by going to the VWAP at around 57 or above. That's this purple line, and can later easily also, or not easily, or doable, it can go to the 66 and a half value area high of the value area, which means that 68% of the trading activity since the beginning of this decade has occurred between the 4163 to the 6647 numbers. Okay, so usually the rest of the activity also has some tendency to get back into that value area and trade there. Okay, right now we're close to being at an extreme. This green line, by the way, is the first lower band of the VWAP. If I don't think it'll get there. I don't know, but if it does, what I do know for my money, it's a great, 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 great buy. Okay, that'll be below this all-time low, and for me, assuming that other machines and algos will be watching that, that's a killer buy right there. Okay, so do note that 33-ish area. But again, the plan is to wait for a cross up reversal, go up, conquer that 45 and a quarter mark, start buying, scaling in further after if and when it crosses up the POC at just under 48, and then ride it to the 57, possibly taking partial profit, and then later to the 66. This is for the long-term investor and also for longer-term swing trades. Do trade at your own risk. Hope you enjoyed this analysis, and do return to Forex Live for additional original